Sheesh. You guys saw the cases?
It's a D17, bro.
Let's throw it in the FRS, Turo.
What's up?
Let's throw it in the FRS.
Yeah, I heard. Hey, people are doing it, bro.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
I'll do it.
You down, Marcel?
It's more reliable than that.
It ain't my car, but I'll help.
Shit. Yo, what is up, guys? Hope you guys are having a good day. So we're actually gonna head over to one of Marcel's homies' house.
Yeah.
And what's going down, bro?
I bought a car.
Uh-huh.
And that's it, bro.
You gonna mess it up again?
Yeah, it's a new build. I picked it up about probably like 3 weeks ago. Salvage, of course, but I figured this way would be easier, you know, instead of getting like payments and shit. So pretty much the whole front end's like fucked up, but I got all the frame shit right now. So I'm about to head over there and slap some shit on and chill, smoke some crack.
Oh, you said what? Alright, guys, so I'm gonna hand off the camera to Jesse. You guys can talk about it since wait, you're gonna ride with me, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, then yeah, we'll just talk about it in the car. I'll fucking hand over the camera to Jesse. Cause some shit went down, but
He's okay.
yeah, that's good.
I'm okay.
You see this shit?
I'm okay.
Dude. Yeah, Jesse will tell you all about it right now.
I don't really know how to start this. It's kind of a tough thing to talk about. I was on my way out last night, and you guys are hearing it in my voice, like I cried a lot. Basically my cord's gone. It's not repairable. Well, basically this guy was making a left turn with a big trailer, like an abnormally large size trailer. Like everybody was like, how long was this thing? It was a homemade trailer. It didn't have lights. You know, this fool was just an idiot. He took the turn when I was like coming down the way, like it wasn't even at a light. And if I didn't swerve the way I did, I probably would have died. I'm just thankful I'm okay. I walked away with nothing wrong with me, which is like crazy, like dumb crazy considering it. Like I'll show the car one day, not right now, but that shit, like Andy, like
That shit is, oh man, that's crazy.
I walked away with nothing.
Yeah, we'll probably insert like a photo or something of the car, but
yeah, just right now it's insane. Like this, they just had to check me out. I got an IV in me, I got x-rays, everything, CAT scan. I'm okay, I'm fine. So thank you for everybody wants, like, you know, for all the support. I know I'm not texting anyone back. It's hard right now, but I appreciate you guys. So we're gonna continue this vlog. It's 4:20, baby.
it is 420, guys, so you already know what about to go down.
It about to go down. It about to go down for Monica tonight, like high key, like for my car.
For Monica, bro. Monica!
Monica!
This whole thing.
Does your strut?
Hey Marcel, what's a CrossTour? What? Yeah, all these parts? So let's assess the damage real quick, bro.
Well, this whole thing was, the whole frame was pushing all the way over here, bro. Like all the way.
All the way back there?
All the way over here, bro.
Damn.
Pull it out. It's alright. But it leaked though.
Hey, at least you got a good battery.
You said 120,000 miles?
Yeah.
Damn, bro. That's pretty low.
But it leaked though. It's my bunker.
Cylinder 4.
Was good?
That's cylinder 3, bent rod, blown piston. Yep. CrossTour.
Yep, CrossTour.
Homie came with the right size sockets and everything. Like right off the bat.
A lot of work about to go down, guys, but it's gonna be worth it.
Damn right.
Sorry, simple shit like taking off the hood.
I think it's okay. Kind of. Take bullshit out right here.
You think it's salvageable?
Oh, it's salvage. Hey, this is a fat ass problem, bro.
What happened?
I don't have a clutch.
Oh, the community's not gonna like that, bro.
Fuck, man.
At all. I don't think you should get it anymore.
Should I just back out?
Honestly?
Honestly, huh?
Yeah, I think so too.
Fuck this, bro. I'm out. Fucking done with this shit.
Wait. What about the parts you just bought?
I'm returning, bro. I got 30 days.
Oh, okay.
That's the thing too. I hate like it's a new car, so I don't know shit about it.
Right, yeah, it's a whole
I
new
can't just be
thing.
like, oh, this goes here, this goes here. Nah, bro. I don't even know where that hard line goes. It's alright. I'm gonna get it together. It's okay.
I just think it's so dope how you just literally see the potential in this, and I'm kind of just like,
I see potential in everything, bro. You remember the CRV when I first got this
Yeah,
shit? It was all ashy.
yeah.
Now look at it. Still ashy, but.
put some jergens on it. Then. All right, so off the top of your head, what's one of the first things you want to do to this?
Coils, baby.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. That's after I get everything straight, of course. Register, snog, all the brake light checking, all that simple shit.
Mhm.
And after that, it's go time. Yeah, you know, it's about to be tucking around, but.
It's gonna be fun.
Cut my shock towers when I'm at it. Low key, you just have a lot of room though. Yeah, damn.
You can get some nice specs on.
Might just cut the springs when I'm at it. Fuck it.
Fuck me. You know what you're doing. I don't know. Dude, my car's stock height right now. So.
It's okay.
Today's 420. So to celebrate 420, we just gonna work on this car.
Pretty much, yeah. All we know, bro.
Nice. So yeah, so pretty much, guys, Marcel got just pretty much everything he needed. Like this is gonna be able to go on. This is gonna be able to get fixed. Like this is just gonna be removed entirely, and replaced. So yeah, it's gonna be straight. Like for like it's gonna. You won't even notice it was crashed.
I hope so. Probably gonna be all twisted.
Just even it out with the coilovers, you know, just.
Pretty much. I'm gonna just lower this down a little.
Yeah.
Cool.
Then I really won't be able to ride passenger.
No, we're gonna be riding fucking deep in this shit, man. Alright, picture it. I was just cruising to Circle K, get some ice cream. I see it.
Hey, y'all trying to get some polar pops?
Y'all trying to get some dipping down there?
You know what this was? We got some food up in us now.
What's up, guys? It's 420.
Celebrating.
You already know, bro.
This is our.
He has a blunt.
It's just crazy, bro. It's just lit. Okay. Someone donate a ladder to the car.
He's not gonna make it. I don't know.
Make it? I think he's gonna make it.
No.
He's gonna make it.
Ah, probably fucked it.
Oh. Fucked up.
It's alright, next year.
That's 420.
It's 420.
You already know. You got the lighter?
Someone donate a lighter to the cause. Would you hurry up?
It's too windy.
It's 422.
There's no point. Alright guys, so real quick, basically Marcel got a CrossTour and it's gonna be at the Beamer Plug's house. They're gonna be working on the frame and all that shit, so hopefully the CrossTour will be ready. And what do you say, like a month and a half?
Probably, yeah, a month tops, no rush. But big shout out to the homie Beamer Plug, and he probably put it right here. Basically, he does like a bunch of shit like body work, paint jobs and all that shit, so if you need any work, hit him up. He's located in Bloomington. Yeah.
Hello.
Oh. But yeah, he's chill as fuck. He gets down. He helped me pretty much get that car because it's like from an auction and shit. You know, without him, I wouldn't be able to get it. And yeah, so I seen that shit on my lunch. I was eating. I was like, oh shit, cheap as fuck, bro. I was like, click, send them the information and shit, send them Cash App, all that shit, and then yeah, I got it. So now it's just basically just all the framework and all that shit. I got all the parts mainly. I think I just need one more major part, but I think that's it.
Oh, that is.
And then probably like 2-3 months from now, should be like.
So yeah guys, every time Marcel goes out there, I'm gonna try to go with him so that way we can document the process, which would be sick as fuck. I think you guys should enjoy that, right? Like, that'd be pretty dope, don't you think?
I think so.
So if you guys are interested in seeing that, comment down and
unsubscribe.
if you guys are interested in seeing that, then drop a comment, let us know. But I think it'll be sick because we can show you the you guys saw the frame. I was showing you how much, yeah, how bad it was. So
it was all the way. It wasn't even that bad. Like before they pushed it, was pushed all the way in, dude.
Fuck. So yeah, they already started doing a little bit on it already. So I think the full process and showing you guys the transformation is gonna be sick. So with that being said, guys, if you guys want to stick around, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And Marcel's CrossTour is about to go through a huge transformation, bro. Dude, fuck,
I'm gonna put Lamborghini doors on the back.
Be righting my wrongs when I be writing these songs. I'm sacrificing it all. The lonely nights are my motives. Put a price on your